How to delete Google Drive files on your phone. Let's not waste any more time and head to the video. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps our channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open Google Drives. Once you open Google Drives, for example, you'll find multiple options here, but here I want to delete this folder. So I click on the three dots here. Once you click on the three dots, there are two steps that you have to do. You have to click on remove. Classroom will be deleted for 30 days. After 30 days it will be permanently deleted, but if you want to delete it permanently immediately, here there are three lines. Click on that, click on trash, and here you will find the folder that you recently removed. Click on the three dots here and click on delete forever and click confirm, and here it is. That folder is permanently deleted. Either you can wait for 30 days and restore it also, if in case you change your mind, but if you want to delete it forever, this is how you do it. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.